Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use coins in AliExpress. So let's get started. So now here we are in AliExpress, and from here what we're going to do is we're going to tap on our profile on the bottom right, and then from here tap on coins in the middle right there, and then you would now have it here in the coins page. And the products that you will see here are all the products that you can use coins with. So before you go to the products, make sure that you collect all the coins here on your daily coins. So tap on collect boost coins right there. So now it has now been added to my coins. Now I have 80 from 50. So now I'm gonna tap on that 80 coins right there. So from here I would be able to see that my 80 coins is worth 80 cents in USD. So we can use that so that we would have a discount on our purchases. So you can use that coins here in the products that you can see here. So just pick a product that you can see here. So for example, I'm just gonna go for this watch right here. For example, tap on that. So the price of this is $21.99. So now when I tap on buy now and proceed to checkout, you would now be able to see that it has been less by $1.80 right here. So I'm gonna tap here on save so that I can see how much has been saved by my coins. So tap on it, and from here you can see that the coins, it has deducted 0.80 cents or 80 cents in the price right here because I have 80 coins, and seller discount is $1 right here. So yeah, this is how you could use the coin. You can just go look for products that is eligible for coins discount. In my case, I got my 80 cents discount because of my 80 coin. And that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.